Guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with the April mystery kit and I'm super excited about this one. So let's go ahead and get into this. This is the actual last kit in this format and I am excited because next month is so fire. It is insane. So let's go over all of this stuff. This feels like extra thick. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull out some of the extras. I'll show you guys the kit itself. Okay. All right, so first things first is you do have the journaling card in the Ultimate and the Mini. So it just has like a graphic on the back and the other side has a little bit of information. And then just like last month, there is this card about the Ultimate kit updates. I did go over this really heavily in my last mystery unboxing. So I'll go ahead and leave that link down below along with the timestamp and also read the description of that video. It just kind of goes into it. But if you get this card and you have any questions, let me know. The email is on the bottom, but that is just taking place next month. So with the April 1st charge, that kit, so the next one after this has already been shipped out, will be taking into effect those new changes. But yeah, so really excited about that. So let's go ahead and get into the kit itself. So you do have the Munchkin freebie here, and then these are the full boxes. So this is a really fun kit. I've had this one planned for so long. It's been done, ready to be like brought to this world, and it needed to be. And I love the like black and white like accents through this with the pinks and the mint. I'm just like here for it. It's like an ice cream shop kit, so very like anytime, perfect for spring, summer, which is just perfection. So you do have the pink and then the gray and then the black, and I am just in love with this collection, and I love the patterns, how they are like mostly like white with the color. You have your functional, like this is gonna look so pretty. I love monochromatic, like one color, like pink with the gray, kind of like SPC Cafe, which is, I used I think that kit twice, and I just love the way that it looks, like just the way that whenever you put it all down, it just looks so like seamless and beautiful. You have your extra full box here, your little things, your headers, your deco and more functional items, and then your bottom washi, which is just a simple pink stripe. But I am here for this kit and I cannot wait to use it. Let's go over these sticker extras first. So with the Ultimate kit, you get so many things, such a good value. So you do have your fashion girls here. So you have a tall girl and then you have two like normal box size girls. Then you also have the 15mm strip, which is black, which is great. It's like a charcoal color. You can use this really with many kits. You also have the glitter headers, and then you have the label sampler. And then this month's wiggle is the rose gold bow wiggle, and I just think this is so pretty. We don't do a lot of rose gold mysteries, but I thought this one really works. I actually for the next year don't have any plan, which is like crazy. I already have, I think, till next March planned as far as mystery themes go and what foils I'm putting with them, and so fun. So you do have the mystery version of this is pretty similar to the shop format for like a foil bundle, and this has the 3 sheets versus the 6. So you do have the 15mm strip, the script sampler, the icons, and then you have these 2 pages here. So you have 3 of these, and they have the 7 headers, the 14 half cut headers, and then the 2 full boxes. And again, you have 3 sheets of those. You have the icons, you have the food and drink doodles, and then you also have the mini deco. Do I have everything? Did I get everything? Yes, I did. So that is the Ultimate kit for this month. It is no longer available. If you do want to try and get your hands on this, I would definitely check out our buy sell trade group. They usually do pop up in there every once in a while, but they usually do go quite fast. I have found the best way to guarantee is to subscribe for future months. But like I said, this art is no longer available, but it's just so pretty, and I love the whole ice cream theme. I don't actually know when the last time we've done anything ice cream related is. I feel like it was our 4-year anniversary kit was ice cream themed. So that is the Ultimate kit. Spots will be open next month pending availability. And I do always have those dates listed in the shop under the mystery tab, which has tons of information on the mystery kit itself. So definitely check that out. I'll link that down below as well. And then if you sign up for that time frame, it'll be the next mystery kit. So for the mini kit, it is the more affordable option. So you do have the journaling card, which is the same as the ultimate, and then you have the mini kit. So you have the full box page, the mini kit page, the functional page, the deco page, and then you also do have the washi page. So that is our mini kit format. It also does come with the Munchkin head freebie, and then you do get the glitter headers and the label sampler in the mini kit. So that is everything for this month's mystery. Super excited about it, and I'm super excited that next month, yeah, we will be doing our new format, which is super exciting. And we will be premiering that. Actually, wait, that'll already have premiered in the shop, so you guys will have seen that already. So I hope you guys like this month's mystery, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.